Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing Leadmonk, a tool that claims to reduce no-shows with a flexible mobile-first scheduling tool. It's a scheduling platform that offers flexible booking options, automated reminders, and promotional landing pages. The difference of that tool from others scheduling tools is that Leadmonk is focusing on the mobile experience. The idea here is that usually your customer, your lead will be using mobile, so it will be better for them if they have a platform optimized for it. So you will reduce no shows and also the number of conversions. You will not need uh, um, an email to finish your booking every time. If you don't want, you have that flexibility to use, for instance, a mobile number for as a booking option. And the difference of the tiers are the number of users. And if you want to remove Leadmonk branding, you need to get the tier 2. So the tier 2 here will be the best cost benefit, but if you need unlimited users, unlimited team members, no limits, you need to go to tier 3, and then you get unlimited users. The number of users, the difference of users are huge from tier 1 to tier 3. Let's take a look at the tool. So the interface is pretty simple. Everything happens here on the left. Here on the right, you can check your profile and change your welcome text, your name. You can add your picture here. You can select between SMS or WhatsApp to receive your appointment notifications. Also, you can add your mobile number here to receive your notifications. Also, you can edit your booking page URL, changing the URL in the way that you need to show up better your branding. And here on settings, you can see other kind of customizations. For instance, you can see that you can connect Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or iCloud Calendar. On integration, you can accept payments using Stripe or PayPal. For video conferencing, they have Microsoft Teams and Zoom. And for sales and CRM, they have HubSpot. On branding, you can see what you can change here. They have two different themes, the minimal theme and the professional theme. I'm going to select the minimal theme for the sake of that review. You can add your company logo, name, and website. So I've just added my logo. It's pretty simple. You can also select your background color, text color, and button color. So this is customizable as well. So if you want to change, for instance, your button color to purple, it's done. Just click on save. So those are the customization options by now. They don't have Cname by now, but it is on their roadmap. They didn't define which tier will receive the Cname, but I think since tier 2 has no branding, so tier 2 would receive the Cname. You can also customize your notification on your own language, okay, using the default template or creating a custom template. All the notifications can be customizable. Here on admin, you can invite your team members. It's pretty simple. Just add their email and it's done. Creating a new appointment, a new appointment option, you just click here and then you can see the different kind of appointment that they have. One-on-one, group appointment, a collective one, or round robin. On round robin, they will select your team member that are available at the time. Let's create a one-on-one appointment type for the sake of that review. You can add your appointment name, select if it will be visible on your booking page or no. Here you can add the description, the duration of the appointment, okay, You can also create a custom duration here, like that. Location preference, you can use in person, custom location, ask your customer using Zoom, MS Teams, or Google Meet. Oh, that's the different thing here. You don't need to ask your customer email. You can add to book the appointment using a mobile number or email, or both mobile number and email. For the sake of that review, I'm gonna add email, then you select your calendar. You can also customize your URL and change the appointment color. It's super easy, then you click on save. The appointment will be there. Here you're gonna see your appointments, unscheduled appointments, and to change your availability, it's pretty simple. Just go here, then change it. For instance, on Wednesday, you want to stay up to 4 p.m. You are not available on Friday. On Thursday, you are available until 9 p.m. and so on. Pretty simple. Click on save. And that's it. You can change your time zone as well. Super simple. And here on home, you can see I have my new appointment. To check your book page, just click here and copy the link. Go to our booking page. You're going to see I'm using the minimal format. I think it's pretty sleek. I like that kind of minimal approach. Select your new appointment. You're going to see it here. Your customer will check the date and just provide, in that case, their name and email address. They can add any information here and book. And it's done. Appointment confirmed. So the tool is pretty cool. I think it's easy to use, it's fast, and the mobile experience is a different thing on Leadmonk. If you need a scheduling tool, Leadmonk may be for you. Please click on the link in the description to check the tool better and help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye bye.